I've got the hiccups like a moron. Who gets hiccups on a stream? I hope this is entertaining. Need a sip of tea. We got a matchup. New Pokemon. Oh goodness, the hiccups are relentless. But it's fine, because I have Sand Slash. Oh god. I've found as I get older, I'm a very dramatic individual about things that don't matter. Like hiccups. Oh man. Sand Slash is asleep. Oh goodness, I ran into a Hitmonlee, of which I didn't think you could catch in the wild. Should I just take a break? These hiccups are killing me.